for the 8 years. On my Ghana, we police for helicopter. Who for 6 years? One more helicopter. Me and sign one. Me and sign. Go to the defense. Go and look. Go. Go to parliamentarians and NDCfuo MPs can more approve those cannot to purchase those things. Yeah, pastors Sikana ya debe no. NDCfuo MPs no with him. Do they talk about those good things? No, they don't talk about those good things. Why must everything be a matter of politics? Me say the media chiramono and police depot. It is a tra. Me platform is so next week you say yeah may show. Nyame nkumin kwa dia may show. Bra na ba ka chira me say bra Felix ye me ko ho ko hwe ye na dan bi ani ho. Me ko ho ko hwe ye na dan bi ani ho. Mo sorry a tro party so amuti omu omo di tro free 1992 e be sin neda so di tro di buga e di Ghana so omo nim sa Ghana for sabe yempe ayi moja antino gidi no yempe antino no omo di mule e be bu afa yeso no omo ko ba this 2022 omo bo omo chi e be yam omo yam ye be sane because we are not going to sit down for some fake lifestyle na fake intro na sabe we do ma be di tro Shadia ba kwa we eye me ya Endra me defend 11 na me kai sa me nkwase ya case ya e ba yi se me se me kwama president na makwama party enti me mom akonya aban amane communicators ne we NDCfuo the self figures we am on radio station TV station for the na pietu omoka ya bo abia samwan mo we ya bobo tai ya koka brofo me see Endra mo ankase mo hwanu guase eto ye wo ho Endra town hall no it exposed the NPP big time. Endra town hall no expose NPP for big time. Am I who say original those wo tiom mo bobo tai the kind brofo na ye ne yente adwadifo no yente hu because you say yes so obi kasa o kasa wi abo nsem eno an woni ntu ono woto no na nanu watutu kente te ho kanoforia tana the 10 GDP and we want to ne dia ne say ade ade sika he na mitua utua sempoa utua dama dia ohia no na matena ho mo started the town hall meeting we buy ya and can say we no age mini 11 ka 11 ke twa ni tikra long time afena ye be try say dey adwuma ne be hye assemblyman for nsa no ma conform yes mo say the governance is bottom up and yet top down is bottom up approach yenya ye wase ho no yenya ye da banche na se di koko fuo mu ho no yenya ho na free ba na abamu ho yenya ho asiafo no yenya ho na free ba Andra meet ye pan adia ba ko ma me ya basa kura san esama me bu fu mo kura ne se show enkrofo bebre eba ho no na biri bu afu ye din kan ye ayi awu ze radio fo no omo ye interview omo ya no mo kasa se o na ade no gene o se de na wo expect sa ban ne beka enkrofo bebre ya mpini o ye ntia afa de omo si ye ntia no ye jai brofo no kana ye de ba chi mu e kan chi mu omo ti ase na afa de omo mu jira so eh na ade ne say ya de papa na minim sa de ne ya de papa o e na matena ho and NDCfuo abedada me say enya de papa. Why should that be the case? Why should that be the case? Me say some of you no musro because Ghana for there you o started the Asante Casa kwa ye general say aka say na me and Asante Casa nkwa na moka and I Casa nkwa na moka me say o de be ba ye Asante Casa so ko kasa o be ba wan fan kasa so mo beka. One thing I love about our deputy information, which is Honorable Abubakar Fatima. Oh, just say, Moses Ongwakola was so Asante Kasem. No, what they policy was yes, this is a communicator. Why can't we employ more of those speeches to make our job easier? And your whole finance minister would mean catchy. And then the fault. What you say because I'm papa no bobra. What you say? One more papa no bobra until the same said who of you no vernacular on the compound. What you say? Yes, the mercy, yes, one son of Brofu Krayet. So what you say? But Uncle State Minister, there is a Uchino, a Kankakra. Mudi bed, Chimu, Mutumi Chiremu, a man, the call for man, 40 years. Look at the positive results and the positive feedback people are giving you. NDC has made up their mind, say they have nothing good to offer. Because Chairman Drew, now make us say, Anka government, ya open say Oba. And as open say will be free so now Oba. The first thing you should be focusing on, or the first thing you should be telling the people, they say, oh, the way by ya buy your baby say. Idea way on the mamma and your papa, ya buy you say never. Ya the 11 but ya buy 11 year famba. Ya the 11 ya baby who come with ya the young mamma for 11 number. But is that what happens? Is that what really happens? That is not what happens. That is not what happens because Obia taking and trend position say me will NDC. Now, so far as I'm NDC, it doesn't matter what the cost may be. It doesn't matter who dies. Everything I can do to make the certain government unpopular, that is all I'm going to do. No curve, no bend. We don't care what anybody thinks. We don't care what nobody says. That is our life. We don't care what nobody says. We don't care what nobody thinks. Yes, I can JM 4 years. It just have 4 years, no. It says 4 years in the body be champ. It is a better constitution a good and or the aba and fire home. Now, see, you say, you be kunipa kran near the aba power and fire who you be kunipa the aba power. Yes, yeah, the 11 aba, yes, 11 in yet. Open so about power, idea in yet. And can you cry and can support me say, idea where the NPPfuo the co-opposition. It's a ban voting now. All in favor say, I not can this phone now. Sorry, I then because Babin I can't say say 11 way about your co-position. And this is for how they say. Idea by your co-position. And ultimaco. Much a blade, Nina also blade, much also blade, Nina our parliament. Idea a bar, a dear beko opposition. Me person me ba power. Mrs. Addo no dey me dwene ho amentiase o. Me pesa me ba power. Say enkrofo we yes ade we a. Omo be ko opposition na me ma ba power. Na me manya tumi. Me se dey bi me ma omo nye. Na tira say NDCfuo indirectly e tire Ghana for say omo pe NPP, omo pe NPPfuo tena so. Because that means say 11 the be ko opposition. They not voting for it so that we go to opposition. Because in their own 2020 manifesto, Chairman Drew, who was our 2020 manifesto now? For visible one to